Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have hot dog burnt ends. This is a great little, I don't know, kind of a different little thing to do with your smoker. Kids really seem to like them. So what we have here is some all-beef hot dogs. You're going to need 2 packs, because this recipe calls for 16 hot dogs. And then you're going to want to slather this mustard mix that I made up. It involves 2 tablespoons of mustard and 2 tablespoons of your favorite rub. And of course, you can adjust as you see fit. I think I actually did 4 tablespoons of mustard and 4 tablespoons of rub. And then you want to just mix it all around. Then grab a brush and basically paste and slather this mix here on. All right, let's fire up the smoker and get them on the smoker. Okay, the hot dogs are on the smoker. You want to put the smoker to 225, and you're going to want to smoke these for about an hour. A little bit before the hour is up, you want to turn the oven on to 375 degrees. All right, so let's let the hot dog smoke for 1 hour. Okie dokie. All right, it's time to make a little barbecue sauce for our hot dog smoked ends. All right, so into a bowl, I have 4 tablespoons of butter that has obviously been melted, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and a 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. Use whatever barbecue sauce you like. My favorite store-bought barbecue sauce, if I don't make it myself, is Famous Dave's, but use whatever brand you like. Then you want to give this a quick little mix around with a whisk. Okay, as you can see here, we have our smoked hot dogs. Now it's time to add the barbecue sauce. Then you just want to get in there with your hands and make sure everything is coated. Then you're going to want to pop this into that 375 degree oven for 15 to 30 minutes. I split the difference. I went for 20 minutes. That's just me. You go to as done as you like. And just like that, thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, they are done. And they are delicious. So that's hot dog burnt ends. Done.